Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes Benz King. This is the all-new Mercedes AMG A45S. I have to say this is one of the best spec'd AMG A45s. It has the aerodynamic package, as you can see from the exterior, as well as the night package, and in the interior a lot of leather, and you can even configure the seats in the infotainment system. So let's first start with the front of the car. The front of the new A45S is amazing. It really has a great design, just like the GT models. You can see that the hood is a little bit more lifted, and it has the Panamericana grille with 13 vertical lines, as well as the front bumpers with horizontal lines, indicating that this one has the aerodynamic package. I have the key right here. It is still sealed in plastic because it is brand new, and it also has the AMG emblem down here. So let's unlock it and pay attention to the headlights. Gorgeous. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of this A45S. This is one of the fastest 2-liter 4-cylinder engines. It has 421 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. It is handcrafted by this person, one man, one engine. And it just looks gorgeous with the carbon fiber cover and the 4-cylinder design. The top speed is 250 km an hour, limited of course. And from 0 to 100 km an hour it does it in only 3.9 seconds. So let's close the bonnet and we will have a look into the side of the A-Class. And this new generation has increased in length, so the total length is around 4 meters and 45 centimeters. The width has also increased with a few centimeters, so there is much more room inside. Here you can see the night package with the blacked out lines and the side skirt. It has the turbo 4MATIC Plus emblem on the side with a large side fender, as well as beautiful multi-spoke AMG rims in a matte black color. I really like the rear design. It is very curvy and downward sloping here at the rear window, and it has a large spoiler for the aerodynamic package, as well as here on the side. And it has the blacked out exhaust tips. So I will just unlock the car and just have a look at the tail lights. You remember this design from the GLE, it's also pointy at the end. The GLS has a more round shaped design, just like the GLB. Furthermore, it has the A45S emblem as well as the AMG emblem on the other side. Lovely spoiler. So let's have a look at what is in the trunk. And because this is a hatchback, it doesn't open automatically. Here it has a lot of space, very surprised. And it has around 400 liters of trunk capacity. So let's close it. And we will have a look inside. So as I mentioned in the start of the video, this is one of the best spec'd A45s. It has full leather interior, seat adjustments, and you can also configure the seats in the infotainment system. Here it has 2 cup holders with a wireless charger for your phone. Storage space, and it really feels very broad in the interior. You do have a lot of space. So let's press the button for the electronics to work. There is the A-Class 45. And it has a panoramic roof which gives a lot of light in the interior. So let's change the dynamic select driving characteristic into race mode, and I will start the engine. Nice sound. Let's listen. This car is brand new, so I won't rev it that much. It is really a performance car, very quick off the ground. This is the new MBUX system, so you can press the infotainment system as a touchscreen and go through all over the settings. You can also use the infotainment system with the touchpad at the center console. As you move your finger, it gives feedback and a sound. You can also use it as a touchscreen. So let's have a look at the navigation system. You can zoom out with your fingers. And here you can see all of the Netherlands. And if you zoom out more, you will see the rest of Europe. So we can go down to Italy, Switzerland. Let's press the home button and we will move to the right. And here it has the vehicle settings. Assistance, vehicle, the light settings. So let's have a look at the seating configuration here at Comfort. You can see the seat kinetics, the lumbar. So let's press it. And if you press your own seat, you can change the lumbar thickness. Very precise in levels. So let's go back, and you can also change the passenger seat. Let's reset it. Press the lumbar, the seat kinetics, and all these settings. So let's go back to the home. These are full leather seats, very special AMG Sport Cup seats. It also has the Alcantara sides, the spoiler for the aerodynamic package from the top, blacked out. So let's have a look at the back seats. The new generation A-Class has increased with more than 12 centimeters. So let's have a look at the interior, the space. And I have enough legroom, around 15 centimeters. And it has a gorgeous interior with a panoramic roof. And here it has two cup holders, also for the person next to you. So let's put it back. Amazing seats. And let's push this back. You can also open the center part so that you can access the trunk. Amazing turbine style air vents also here in the front. Also a lot of leather for the rear door. It has the surround sound system and more storage space. And thanks for watching Mercedes Benz King, guys. I hope you liked this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.